Over probably the last year or so, Discord has been having a lot of problems with imposters. And no, before you even think it, which you've probably already thought it, I'm not talking about Among Us. So in this video, I kind of want to sit down and talk about everything that's been going on with this impersonation problem and kind of just spread awareness about the issue. But before we jump into it, I want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Blurp. Blurp is an audio meme soundboard bot that you can use inside your Discord server. It is the perfect tool to help make your server more fun and engaging for your community. Once added into your server, you can use Blurp's soundboard to search over 1 million different sound bites and meme clips.
What is that building over there? It's a big building.
Once you find a soundbite that you like, you can share it into any voice channel inside your server for you and your friends to enjoy. It'll look a little like this.
That is bloody lovely.
If you aren't feeling the voice chat feature, then you can easily share Blurp soundbites into any text channel by using their slash commands inside Discord. You can even go as far as to create your own custom soundbite slash commands inside your server for all of your community to use. And once you get those custom slash commands set up inside your server, you can control who has access to them, and that can be a really cool incentive for subscribers or donators inside your server. And if you want, you can also create your own blurps from YouTube and Twitch links, or even by uploading your own local file. So if you're ready to make your server more fun and engaging, you can add Blurp directly into your Discord server by using the link at the top of the description. Thank you again to Blurp for sponsoring this video. Now let's dive back into it. But basically what's happening is users will join on a random alt account inside a server. And for example, in my server, what's happening is I constantly have people joining, and they'll change their profile picture to my logo, and they'll change their username to my username. And then they'll start DMing every single person inside the server, asking for crypto info. The most common one that happens in my server is crypto scams. They ask for all this type of crypto information. They'll say, hey, thanks for joining my community, blah, 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 acting like me. And then they'll start asking about crypto and stuff. And hopefully the majority of people thankfully know that this isn't me, but you know, there's some people out there that actually fall for this. Otherwise these scammers wouldn't be doing it because it doesn't work. So there's definitely some people that unfortunately fall for things like this. My cat is currently clawing my chair behind me, if you can see. And the thing that really sucks about it, now there's a cat on top of my light. If you guys see stuff happening in the background, just ignore it. But the big problem that I have with this is that currently there's really no solution to stop this from happening at all, that I know of at least, because you can turn off mutual DMs from server members from your own personal account, but you can't disable, like me as a server owner, I can't disable that inside my entire server, because that would be the surefire way to stop it. Just go into my server settings and go to the privacy settings of my server and set it up to where mutual members can't DM each other. Only friends can DM each other. But unfortunately, that's not the case. There's no way to do that. That setting can only be toggled on and off from an account standpoint. So this allows anyone to join my server and DM, as if someone has that setting turned on where mutual server members can DM them, they can DM anyone in my server that they want to, anything that they want. And I'm not the only one that has this problem. I have a client that I set up a server for, that she has a really great server that she has running, and she runs into the same problem too. Literally every single week, 2 to 3 different people impersonating her account, trying to DM people and scam them. And it's the same for me. It's literally like 2 to 3 people a week try to do this kind of scam. I've tried searching to see if there's like a bot out there that will notify me whenever someone changes the username to a specified username. Like I can set it up to where if someone changes their nickname or their username to Gesture, then the bot will detect it and flag it to me and let me know, hey, someone in your server just changed their username to this username. That way I can hopefully get that notification or alert and be able to go in and delete that or ban that user before they start DMing people. Unfortunately, I haven't found any bots that do that, and that's part of the reason I'm making this video, is for you guys. If any of you guys know a solution to this issue, let me know, and hopefully I can share that issue with everyone else in the community, because I don't really know of a way to fix it. Jesus Christ. Bro, are you okay, dude? Oh my God. Well, now he's on top of the chair, and there's another one going on the chair. Okay, I don't know what's happening behind me. Something that makes this issue a lot worse is that if you guys don't know, there's actually, hackers can create their own custom scripts to where they can copy the server ID of your server, and they can just enter that into their script, and they can like pre-write a direct message to send. And once they paste in your server ID, and it'll automatically DM every single person in your server that message that has mutual server member DMs turned on. I'm pretty sure that's what happened to me a few weeks ago because I had a ton of people report this one user literally all within a couple of hours time span. Literally some of my close IRL friends that are in my Discord server that aren't active in my server at all, they're just there for occasionally when we game together, we'll jump inside one of my voice chats or whatever. Even they told me like, hey, someone just DM me this in your server and they're acting like you. And that just escalates this problem to an entire new level because it takes literally no time for these scammers to be able to join your server, just copy and paste your ID and then boom, everyone in your server is messaged. And I can only imagine how much bigger of a problem with this is for server owners that have a massive server. Like for me, my server's under 2,000 members and this is still happening to me 2 to 3 times a week. I can't imagine how much this happens to people with servers that have over 100,000 members inside of them. It's a really big issue and I don't think it's something that's really talked about a lot. I think it's, you know, one of those issues that when it happens, you ban the user and you forget about it and move on. But the easy solution to this is if Discord will just add in, they already have the feature on the account side, like I mentioned. All they have to do is add it into the server side where server owners can go into the privacy settings of their server and disable mutual DM or DMs for mutual server members. I don't know why that phrase is so hard for me to say. DMs for mutual server members, DMs for mutual server members. It seemed like a tongue twister, but all they have to do is add that and that's the one-stop fix to this problem. Spread awareness for this issue because I don't know how to stop it. And maybe some of you guys know of a way to stop it that I haven't been able to find yet. And maybe there is no way to stop it right now. And hopefully maybe this video can spread enough awareness to get attention from Discord and maybe we can get them to add in this feature for server owners to be able to turn off mutual DMs. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Drop a comment below, and if you know of any way I can try to alleviate this issue, even if it doesn't get rid of it completely, if there's a way I can alleviate it a little bit, definitely let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. And if you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like on the video to help spread it to others. And if you want to check out my other Discord content, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with everything related to Discord. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.